This video is about solving tangent line problem. In our given, we have f of x equals to 2x minus x squared. The formula we are going to use to answer this equation is x plus h minus f of x over h. So, write lang natin yung sa formula. So, the limit of ito pong x plus h ay lahat po ng x papalitan lang ng x plus h from the given. So, magiging 2 times x plus h minus x plus h squared. And yung f of x ay yung given. So, 2x minus x squared. Oops. Over h. As h approaches to 0. Hindi pa natin pwedeng gawing 0 yung h dito sa ilalim since if ginawa natin yun, yung equation ay magiging undefined. So, ang una mo natin gagawin is distribute lang po ito dito at saka ito dito, ito dito. So gagawin lang po ay limit of 2x plus 2h then minus x minus plus minus 2hx minus h squared x squared. Then change yung sign sa part na ito. So negative 2x plus x squared over h. So combine like terms po. So itong 2x minus 2x, so cancel out, and negative x squared plus x squared, so cancel out. Yun po yan. So write na lang po natin yung natira sa atin. So the limit of 2h minus 2hx minus h squared over h as h approaches to 0. Factor out lang po natin yung h para ma-cancel out po yung h di sa ilalim. So, magiging ganito po yan. 0 equals 2h times 2 minus 2x minus h over h. So, cancel out po ito. Then, find the derivative po. Then, the derivative of f of x is equals to 2 minus 2x minus 0. Ito po yung final answer natin.